Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So what am I putting in my closet today? It's my 180-degree box. I signed up for a 3-month subscription, so this will be the March box and I have no idea what's in it. So shall we find out? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll like this enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty. So I'm thinking this is a spring box. It says March 2023, relax, heal, and enjoy. Happy spring. And it's got this little brochure. I don't know if it opens. Oh, it opens and it must have everything that's in this box. And there must be something really springy in here because this box smells so good. And just to show you how it comes, as I said, I got the 3-month subscription, so I think I saved 20% off the first box on a 3-month subscription. Not 20% off 3 months, just the first box. So it's got all of the little foozles in here. So if I had a pet, this pet would be going crazy right now. So you guys having a great spring, whatever it is. Since I live in Arizona and I live probably 5 or 6 hours from California, I don't know if I should laugh or just feel bad that these Californians are getting so much snow. I mean, about a half hour from us, our friends that live close to the mountains, they woke up to snow all over their pool, all over their patio table. I mean, they probably had about that much snow, and they only live about a half hour from us. So it's just crazy time. So the first item that I'm pulling out is by Beauty Kitchen Lavender Take a Breath Sugar Scrub. Now I love these. I currently have one going in my shower. They do make such a mess that every time that I use them, I have to make sure I take my feet and squish the scrub out all over because it kind of glumps in the bottom of your tub. And this is packaged so nice that I'm not going to open it because, as I said, I currently have one going, but I bet you it smells really good. And then the next item is Owl in a Towel. Now, I have never heard of that. It is a bergamot deodorant cream, hands-free application. So I guess you just open the top and it must have a little, oh, it does. It's got a little thing. And there's not a thingy on it, a protector. And I'm trying to smell it. It smells good. And I'd be anxious to try this. Now, I don't know if it's gonna get all over your clothes or not, but it sounds good. Oh, my favorite thing in the box, Smart Cake. 38 calories. Don't know. Is it lemon? It must be lemon. I see little lemons. 0 carbs. So this will be gone when I'm doing my packaging up. It'll be gone. There's a lot of fun stuff in here. Oh, we have some hemp. Hemp infused. Glasses on. I'm trying not to use them, but I gotta cheat. And this is a moisturizer. So it's a nice travel size. And then we have another little one, and this is a cleanser, grapefruit and watermelon. Ooh, Dr. Botanicals, and I know that's a good brand. So I'm liking that. Ooh, 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 ooh. My favorite thing to get in a box, what is it? It is the Rooted Soy Blend Thyme Candle with thyme seeds. Oh, I can hear the seeds. I'm afraid to open this. Can you hear that? Oh, you use the ceramic vessel as a planter and you grow the thyme. I am so intrigued. Is it, oh, it broke. Oh, I'm gonna have to reach out to her. I'm like, are those the seeds? I don't want to take it out. See, it's all broken. I thought maybe those were the seeds that was moving around in there, but it's the actual planter. I'm still gonna smell it. Oh my gosh. I could sit here and like snip this all day. So if you get this box, be very careful because mine is broken. And her customer service is really good. So I don't see her giving me a hard time about replacing it. Oh my God, that smells so good. And then we have this. It's just this. I'm assuming if you wet it, maybe it grows. It's a Swede dishcloth. Fully rinse cloth with soapy water before you use. It's a combination of 70% wood pulp and 30% cotton. It's biodegradable, compostable, eliminates up to 17 rolls of wasteful paper towels. Wow. You can sanitize your sweet dishcloth by placing it in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. Rinse in bleach, water, or boil. Okay, how cool is this? 17 rolls of paper towels it replaces. Okay. And then we have a dish scrubber. Natural dish scrubber, non-scratch, durable, and odor-free. So this will scrub your dishes. I wonder if I can have Dennis try it out and see if it works. You think that's gonna happen? I don't think so. Excuse me. And then we have something in a red pouch. Usually this is like a jewelry type of item. So far, this is a great box. A little bummed about my candle because I would have used that like tonight. Because the one I have burning is like going out there pretty fast. What do we have? Oh, these are really nice earrings, but I can tell by the weight I can't wear them. And it's all, here we go. And open them at this end. They're a beautiful color. Wow. Can you see that? What a beautiful color. But yeah, they're too heavy for my ears. So I'm liking the earrings. I just wish they were a lighter color. Yeah, she usually puts a jewelry item in here. So those are nice. Oh, we have another card. Oh, I think it's for the sponges. Ooh. And then we have some masks by Face Story. Be Bright, Be You. And I think there's, no, just one mask. Make your place affordable, sustainable nesting skills. Oh, there was a baby bottle on here. Maybe I have to get this to my son. Oh, it gives you like little hints, ideas for different things that you can make to make your house toilet cleanser, bowl cleanser, soft scrub. How cool is that? I can't read it because the writing's so small. So I think I'm gonna send this to my son. He was just, we were FaceTiming this morning And they have all the lock protectors for the baby. She's 8 months now, you know, on the bottom and the top, and she's breaking them off. So he's like, I'm gonna have to hammer it down. Gut problems, PMS problems, bite and sting plaster. Wow, burns and rashes. What a great book. And let's see if there's anything else in here. Don't see anything else in here, so I'm just going to recap everything that was in this great box. The earrings that I got, just to show you, they came in green, yellow. It looks like a violet or a purple color. I'm really happy with the green. I just wish I can wear them. And then we have the rooted candle, the deodorant cream, the hemp moisturizer, the Dr. Botanical cleanser, the book. I really like that book. I think I'll read it and then I'll give it to him. The Eco Dish Scrubber and Swedish Cloth, the Face Story Bright Mask, the Beauty Kitchen Sugar Scrub, and the Smart Cake. I thought it was a great box. I think it averaged, with the shipping, I think they charge a few bucks for shipping, that I pay like $50 a month for the box, and I think it's great. This month's theme was a March theme, and next month's theme is Confident. So I can't wait to get next month. And let me know what your favorite item in this box was. Mine would have been the candle. I mean, it smells amazing, and then you can grow vine in it. So I have to be really careful where I put this. And my second favorite item would have been the earrings, because I just thought they were a beautiful color. But I think it's the posts on them, or even maybe what they're made out of, that make them very heavy. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to leave a comment, and you guys have an awesome day.